Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sign out of your TesterUp account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and in the URL box type in TesterUp.com and search. You will then end up in the official site for TesterUp. Simply go ahead and log into your account like you normally do. Once you're logged into the account, if you ever want to log out in the future, then the process is quite easy. Click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner from the main homepage and you should be able to see the logout button. Before logging out of your account, make sure you remember the login method that you chose previously. After clicking on logout, you will end up in the sign in area for TesterUp. So that's how easy it is to sign out or log out of your TesterUp.com account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.